Hi guys, welcome to the second lecture of Module 15 of Revit Architecture. In this lecture, we'll be seeing how to add tags to the room. So to add tags to the room, we need to go on Architecture here, and then we have this room available. So RM is the shortcut. You need to click on that, and then this default setting is play tag on placement. So now we can see the whenever I hover over the room. So yeah, we have this boundary selected and room written on that. And if I don't hover on any boundary, then you can see that this kind of setting is available. So once I hover over the room, I can just click on that, and now this is available. Room is available, and I need to click on every room here to place tag. You can place it on anywhere, any tag. Yeah, so all the tags have been placed on all the rooms. So now that I need to place a tag on this balcony area, but uh, because of this railing, it doesn't have the boundary. So to place on this, I need to exit this first. I need to go on room separator here to create the boundary here. Because without the boundary I can't make a tag here. So to do that I need to either draw a fall, which is not required here, or use this room separator command and just pick it. Yeah, this is done, and now if I go to room here, now I can place the tag here. So now we can see that all the tags have been placed, room 1, room 2, room 3, and it is numbered according to the according to how I placed. But if I go on room here, and then if I disable this, and then you can see that the room is the labeling is removed. So if I need to place it, then if I need to place get the room option here, then I need to enable this option. Yeah, once this is room is ready, so the tags have been placed. Then if you need to make some legends here, like to differentiate all the rooms, then what can we do is okay, we need to go on annotate here, and then use this color fill legends here option, and default if you choose this, then default we don't have any spaces here, so I'll select space type as room, and then according to name, and then I'll click on OK. Yeah, so this has been named as room and just only one color, because all the room has been named as room. So if I change the name and then again use the color fill, then you can see different types of legends here. We'll do that. So to rename this, I'll just click on that. Yeah. Yeah, so this washroom has not been labeled yet, so I'll label that. Yeah, so you can see that this the default tag or placement option is not been selected, so I couldn't rename this. So I'll just click on that and then just rename it. So now that all rooms have been renamed, so I'll go to the annotate and then use the legends here. Now we can see different use rooms and just color scheme as name. Now you can see that all the rooms have been named accordingly, and you can see different colors. So this is how you use room tag and then label all these. So here you can edit the scheme. Here uh, you can choose the order here. You can select this and just, or you change the order however you want. Yeah, you can change the color here. Go here and just change the color whichever you want. Can do that. Can change the color and just click on apply and okay. Now you can see the color has been changed. You can also change the order. So this is how you use room tag and just change the colors here and make widgets.